What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a very important video. Why? Because we're going to be covering the institutional buyers on AMC, which are important buyers. Keep in mind, on Thursday we have February 18th. We have the congressional hearing of GameStop, which is going to be insane. We're going to be covering it all here. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave a like if you think Amazon is going to buy AMC. I still believe it is not far-fetched and it is a possibility. Without further ado, let's hop right in. 5 of Amazon's institutional investors bought AMC recently. All 5 of them are listed above: American International Group, AIG, Stifel Financial, Public Employees Retirement System of Ohio, the manufacturer's life insurance company, and Nomura Asset Management. They are all here on MarketBeat.com. Dated, shares held, their market value. We're also going to be talking about Charles Schwab, which increased their position. A lot of people are mistaking that they bought 1.7 million shares. They did not. Keep in mind that back in November, they had 1.2 million shares, and now they have 1.7 million shares, which happens to be some of the biggest buyers on AMC, apart from BlackRock. So here are just some of the many articles. Before we hop into these articles really fast, did the AMC short interest change, guys? This is one of the most shorted stocks ever. AMC is number 1 right now at 67%. I believe MarketWatch had it at 17%, and they had GME at 70%. So they switched. AMC is now at 67 as of, remember, January 29. So a lot has changed. I'm still waiting for the new recent update on the short interest that's coming later on this month. But this is just something I wanted to point out. Did they switch and GME dropped to 41? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I just saw this and I thought that AMC was at 17. So if they did change it, 67% is still pretty darn high. According to this list, it's above GameStop. So one of the first articles here by Fintel, we have one of the investors in Amazon, which is the Employees Retirement System of Ohio. They reported 9.02% increase in ownership in Amazon. Here it is, their latest disclosed value, the amount of shares they had. Here we have another one back in 2018 of September 27. Stifel, they predicted nearly a 30% surge in Amazon, and this is one of the many holders in Amazon. We've covered in the last video that Amazon has been looking. They've been interested in theaters. In 2018, they wanted to buy landmark theaters, and that following year in 2019, they wanted to invest in Egyptian theaters. That's just the market close on the bell. We'll cover AMC right now, but they both failed. They lost to Netflix, I believe, on landmark, and the deal did not go through. And last year in 2020, the talks started brewing for AMC. Check a look at this tweet. I don't know, this might be a little out there. You might be thinking about a little conspiracy going on, but Forbes 19 hours ago, check out their engagement. They don't get that many retweets. 341, 1240, 132, 558, 551, and 1,000 likes for the recent post or retweet, you guys, you can say 19 hours ago. And take a look at the date of this article when the talks started, May 22, 2020. I have my ad blocker on, so we won't be able to see this, but it's kind of interesting that they place this here and you can see the engagement. This just leads me to believe people are still watching AMC. People, again, on Robinhood, the number 1 held stock. I believe on eToro it was as well. eToro also took a dump today in the morning. I believe their website was crashing. People weren't able to buy. They let us know on the Discord. And look at the people here, and the engagement on this is crazy. This just leads me to believe that AMC is still a very popular stock. And if this number is right, and if it is the number 1 shorted stock, it's going to rocket up. I'm not a financial advisor. Take this with a grain of salt. This is just my opinion. Don't need that lawsuit coming against me. But I just thought that was very interesting that they posted this article from 2020 back today, or was this yesterday? Interesting. But Charles Schwab, again, they had 1.7 million shares held total. What don't we know that they do? Again, timing. In the last couple of days, these people hopped in on AMC. They're in the business of making money. They're not here to lose money. They see something we don't. They might even know something we don't. Some information that we could possibly get down in the future. This ties back to the only variable we have here, which is time. If there is going to be a deal coming through, it has to be ASAP or by summer. Also, keep in mind the vaccine rollout is definitely going to take a big important role in how these theaters open up. And again, when the timing is also going to be important. And watch for more buyers, guys. Tomorrow I'll keep you guys updated once again. We have the congressional hearing on Thursday, so I'll keep you updated on any more buyers on AMC. Other than that, I just wanted to analyze the technicals here one more time. We're still looking at the 4-hour. We're still seeing how it was rejected, slammed down on the EMA. I do think, again, there is short ladders attacks going on AMC. Notice that we have this spike here above EMA. Finally, this is what I've been waiting for. We need a spike above EMA, but we need it to hold as well, and it keeps getting rejected off the $6, $7 mark. It has some support right around $5, and this almost leads me to believe that these people, these institutions, hopped in just because it's trading. It's trading around the range it was basically back in March, all the way through almost September, right around the $5 and $6 mark. So this seems like a pretty decent entry to them, and I know they're probably thinking of playing it long term as movies open, and also speculating on that Amazon buyout. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, once again, make sure you guys leave a like. I'm excited for Thursday, and leave a comment with your thoughts on this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.